The unblocking tool is useful for completely clearing out the last bit of plastic when a strand is too short to reverse. You can see how much plastic is left in the pen by looking through the maintenance cover. This is a quick and easy way to change the colour and materials. Simply push it in the back of the pen and give a gentle nudge while extruding. In the case that the plastic gets stuck, you can remove the nozzle using the wrench tool. Make sure the pen is still on while you do this. Then, press the fast or slow button twice to start reversing the plastic. Insert the unblocking tool into the tip of the pen and push the plastic out the back.